After leaving Dong-hoi in the morning, heading south, as you can see in the previous video, I continue on my way to Dong-hã in the afternoon. I got off the highway to a beach at least 10 kilometers. And one second. And heading off to the beach, the policeman there wants me to stop. And I hope it's gonna be worth it. So it's 13 kilometers to the first beach there, and there are a few on the way. And I hope it's worth it because it's a big detour from my way. There are no sand dunes in the area. It's all lush green now. So the beach should be a different beach than the ones I saw today all the time. And it looks like I'm arriving. This is it. That's the first beach. I don't like the development. It's actually hurting it. So this is Vin-Tac beach. Nice, but all the development I really don't like. Look what they're doing here. I will try and go to this protrusion of the rocks there. And one good thing, the sun is out. First time in the trip, the sun is out. No clouds. Well, I mean clouds, but the sun is shining through the clouds. And nice. Look. Oh, and the sun is gone. Oh, there it is. Let's head on to that, to these rocks. All this garbage, that's really not nice. This here is not slippery. No, it's not. Very nice, but it's 2:30 actually. So I have 2.5 hours until I have to get to Dong-hã, maybe even 3 hours. I definitely make it, I think. So I'll take some time, take some photos here, and walk around. Let's climb up here, see what's on the other side. That's definitely nice. Yep, I think I'll take up the drone here, take a few photos, that'll be nice. Spend a little bit of time here and continue. There's another beach just around me. after that I can head on to Mont. They're going to leave this area open. They're going to build a resort here as well. The beach is just behind here, but it's blocked and it's not going to stay pristine. That's why somebody bought it and they're going to make a resort here. I was wondering when that's going to happen, and the shoe fell apart. Now can't expect much from a 300,000 shoe, which is $14. And it's not that I'm cheap, it's just that I'm size 46, and in Hanoi they don't have anything bigger than size 44. And so I had to buy these ones, which were okay for a while, but then they started falling apart. This falling apart now. This, it was holding up. Yeah, this will fall apart soon. It was holding up until now. Now fell apart. So luckily I have other shoes, but this, yeah, can't expect much from a $14 shoe. I'm surprised it held up until now. That was good. Okay, so this woman here tells me that she's getting glue in the house to fix the shoe. Why not? Let's see. Voi, ai toi canoi orai? Xin chào, có ai đó đây? Oi. Oi. No, I don't see anybody. Oh, there she comes to help me. Vì không có ai ở đây. Chị em?
Này, đập này. Càng ơi.
Yeah, she wants to give me the 502 elephant. Yeah, so I think I'll wait with it until Dong-hã, and I'll fix it then, because I'm pretty sure that this super glue is not good for that shoe. By the way, I was wrong. That is the exact same glue the shoemaker will use to try and fix my shoe tomorrow. This is actually pretty nice. In between those trees, the beach is just underneath. Yeah, wow. So I guess this is what they call, in the map at least, Mui-Si beach. And I'll go down there and see what it looks like from underneath. Let's see what's over here. Very nice. So you say it has a tunnel just underneath here?
Yeah. Tunnel is here. It's in my.
Yeah, we can find it there anyway.
Yeah.
Let's see. Just down there. Oh, I can go with the motorbike?
Motorbike, yeah.
Ah, hello.
Okay, hello.
So I can go this way down? No, this down I cannot do with a motorbike.
No. You can go to motorbike.
Walk. Oh,
Yes.
with the motorbike?
Motorbike, okay.
Just go down.
Ride motorbike, okay.
But then I got rocks. I cannot.
Yeah, Ross is here.
Yeah.
You
Then I walk.
you to go there. On you can here and have a tunnel.
Tunnel.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. What's your name?
Guy.
Guy. Guy and tour guide?
Right? Oh, hello.
Okay. Yeah, where you from?
Israel.
Australia? Australia.
Israel.
Israel, yes.
Yeah.
Israel is very big, popular in the agriculture. Israel, yes, very nice.
Okay, finish photo. Now let's see how I make it. I hope it's okay. No. Maybe not. Yeah, I know. I'm not gonna make it. It's too dangerous, and with this motorbike, not worth it. I just did this, which was dangerous. This is even more dangerous. Okay, now. I know. I did this. I came back, but yeah, I'm not taking any chances. I've done it before, and I got injured. Not worth it. Got a wife and a unborn kid to come back to. So yeah, it's nice, but no. I went down this instead, and the thing is that I cannot go all the way down to the beach. So that'll be pretty hard to turn around and go up. But this is the beach over there. Then the beaches end here, where they go after the bridge, but it ends in a town like this, industrial. It looks pretty dirty, although here, well, it's not as good as on the beach. It's pretty dirty here. It's moderate, but it's not Hanoi yet. It's for this place, it still is dirtier than it should be. So 30 kilometers from here is dongh-hoi, dongh-hã, and that's where I'll be headed now. Last check of the beaches after the bridge, and they all seem like this, because soon I will turn inland, and that's it. Maybe tomorrow I'll go check out the mountains, but yeah, the beaches from here on I've pretty much seen already. Maybe a little bit down south I have seen. The mountains would be interesting. Let's see, there's supposed to be a Fidel Castro garden. Let's see. Who is this garden for? Apparently a park for lesbians. Okay. That looks like a new area of town. Still being built. This is probably Fidel Castro Park, except that I expected a statue, but there's nothing. Just a beautiful park. Very nice. Driving into the Dong-hã station, and let's ask here, how long will it take? How long will it take to get my motorbike to Hanoi? For those of you who don't follow my trip so far, I already tried to put my motorbike on a train and return to Hanoi. Yesterday in Dong-hoi. But in Dong-hoi they told me that my motorbike will arrive a week after I would, which was unacceptable. They suggested that I might have better luck in Dong-hã. So, here I am. Tôi nói hôm qua với ga Dong-hoi và họ nói tôi rằng nói với ga Dong-hã và
5 đến 7 ngày mới đi.
và nói tôi
Nhận xe máy từ 5
tôi
đến 7 ngày.
tôi hiểu nhưng
Từ 5 đến 7 ngày mới đi. Hiểu không?
No, I want to send my motorbike. Oh shit.
Send.
But she said I have to wait 5 to 7 days. Last time I traveled, I just put the motorbike on the train, got off in Dong-hoi, took the motorbike and drove on to Phon Nha. When I came back from Da Nang, I put the motorbike on the train and it came back a few hours after I arrived. That's it, no troubles. I don't know what happens now, but it's completely unexpected. Apparently what they told me in Dong-hoi yesterday was a bunch of crap, because here, well, first of all, they didn't even try to understand me. They don't speak English and they don't even try. They just said cannot. It will take 5 to 7 days. Whatever they told me in Dong-hoi, that they send a motorbike every day on a train, I guess it's not true. And the guy told me that because it's a Tet holiday, so it will. That's why people send a lot and go a lot from place to place. So no place for motorbikes. So that's why it takes so long. I will try tomorrow to go to Hue, and it's only 70 kilometers from here. And I will do a day trip and get there and see what happens from there. In the next video, day 9, I continue going south on my way to Hue, passing on my way through the destroyed citadel of Quang Chi, passing on the way in a random village in what turned out to be a rather interesting visit.
Yeah, just this example, I have just built it.
Before I make my way all the way down to Hue City. So I was able to slide and not get caught as far as I can see. I don't know if you like my videos so far and you want to see some more, don't forget to like and subscribe. Okay, show us how you make a falafel with it. See you in the next video. Nice falafel balls.